Hi. So we're up here in my organic square foot garden. I found one. Ha! I came over to the other garden bed and look. Here's what I saw. I don't know if you can see this. You see how this tomato plant has hardly any leaves on it? But isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Found one. Ha! I came over to the other garden bed and look. Here's what I saw. I don't know if you can see this. You see how this tomato plant has hardly any leaves on it? That's a sign of bad things. And look at that. Can you see that little guy? I don't think you can see him. I'm trying to make sure. He's hanging here off of the thing. I hope you can see him. But isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I'm in the middle of the worm inspection, but I had to take a moment to enjoy that beautiful sunflower and to get attacked. Hello, attack kitty. Who is this one? Oh, it's Polar. Ha! The cats come everywhere. Anyway, enjoy that. Have a gorgeous day wherever you are, office people. Hope traffic's not too bad. Bye. Hi. Hashtag crazy cat here from the country in South Carolina. Organic farmer doing square foot gardens, and I have a challenge because I have this horned caterpillar eating my tomatoes. So we're gonna go on a hunt and I'm gonna show you what they look like. But anyway, here's a picture, and it looks really giant because I printed it out really big, but you can see them on your tomato. But look at this color, how it kind of like fades in. So there are some specific things that you look for, which are the leaves being chomped and stuff like that. And I caught one yesterday. So I'm going to get back out there. And then the biggest reason that I'm hopping on here today is to share with you an organic DIY bug repellent that you can make for your garden. And it didn't take me very long. And so I have been kind of researching this for a couple of years and learned a recipe last year from a friend of mine that had neem oil. So neem oil is something that's very good for all kinds of bugs. Sorry, I'm having all kinds of tripod problems today. For all kinds of bugs. And so neem oil is something that's great. And then also I like to use some essential oils, and peppermint and oregano both repel bugs and will help get rid of them. So I drop those in, and I like that particular brand because it's science-based and there's no synthetic crap. So I know that, you know, I'm going to all these pains to organically garden. I want to make sure that everything is organically gardened. And so this brand here is science-based, that I can actually check out the science, which makes me very happy. There's a supplemental facts label and everything, like you would see on food. Pretty neat, huh? And it only takes a few drops of each of those because it's a really strong one. So it works really well, super effective. Sorry, the wind's blowing out here. It's like trying to blow all my junk away. The other thing I did is I found this really awesome article by hunker.com on natural bug and worm repellents for tomato plants. And there were several other things that they recommended in there. So I kind of mixed up my own little blend with a little bit of neem, some oregano and peppermint. I threw in a little bit of the Pro Shield hand soap. And the reason for that is this is the same recipe that's in Thieves that a lot of people are familiar with. It's clove and cinnamon and lemongrass. And I use this hand soap because it's also science-based. I can look this one up, at lot number on it, and I can see how it was manufactured and all the science. But it also is very strong and effective. So I actually use this not only for hand soap in my house, but also for dishwashing. And it works really well and doesn't leave suds, but it kills a bunch of germs. So I put a little bit of this in here because clove and cinnamon and lemongrass are very good at repelling bugs. It also recommended a little bit of baking soda, so I put just a little bit of that in. And then it said olive oil, and also that jalapenos will repel bugs. So I had from Temecula Olive Oil Company, which is a great company, by the way, make their own stuff. Love supporting home-based businesses or people-owned businesses. But anyway, this is a fresh jalapeno olive oil, so I put a little bit of that in there. So you can see here that it's mainly water, but there's a little bit of stuff up at the top. So all you have to do, and this is a 32 ounce bottle, all I have to do is shake it up and then it'll be incorporated. So I'm gonna go on a hunt for these here hornworms, see if I see any and get rid of them, and then I'm gonna spray everything down. Anyway, I will, I'll type up the recipe in the comments so that way you feel free to take it. I'll also have a copy of it. Actually, no, I'll put it like in the comments of the IGTV so that way you can get to it. If you want me to send you a picture of it or anything, I can do that. Just shoot me a PM and I'm happy to send that over and share it. And I think that's it. So I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. I'm working from home, so I'm taking a break. I did a bunch of work this morning, which was awesome. And now I'm taking a garden break to go on a worm hunt because zombies eat worms, I think. Just kidding. Zombies don't eat organic food, I don't think. But anyway, I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. Give me a chat. I love to talk. My name is #CrazyCat, here from the country in South Carolina. Glad to be now home and out of the zombie life. Cheerio, mates. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Perfect ending to a beautiful day. Good night from Lake Bird.